Also today, I think what we're going to end up doing is changing a water heater. It has not been working properly, and it has just been an absolute pain in my butt. So first thing we're going to do, hook up the hose to the drain, open it up, and we're just going to drain this bad boy and get it ready to disconnect. And then after I disconnect it, then I will start to disassemble it, and then that way I can go get a new one. So just an electric water heater. It doesn't look like it's all that old, but you can definitely see some rust on it. I was looking for a manufacturer's date on it, and I believe it is 2018 that this was manufactured, so it's really not that old. The people who I bought it from said that it should be under warranty, so we're gonna find out, I guess. It's time to get this thing out. Guys, for those of you who don't know, there's usually a pipe or fittings that come in top of the water heater. There's gonna be two wires, a red, a black, and then there's also usually a screw, which on mine, it's on the plate right here. That is going to be your ground. So you're going to have ground on here, which is right here. Otherwise, the ground, which comes from your power source, that is going to go onto that green screw. And then you're going to connect. Black goes to black, red goes to white. You're going to put some wire nuts on it. Right now, I just disconnected it. You're going to have two lines on the top. One is going to be your cold, one is going to be your hot. I have both of those disconnected, and I'm just waiting for the rest of this water to drain. It's a slow process, but got to get it all out. It is raining. It's miserable outside, so I just figured I would change out this water heater before I get real busy and before I leave to head out of town. Oh, guys, I got a new water heater. It is back to where it is supposed to be. One thing I did not remember to tell you guys earlier that I did, but I just didn't show you, is to find your main connection. And that is my main water connection, and just make sure you turn that off so that the water doesn't continue to pour in and go into the water heater as you're trying to drain it. But it is as simple as reconnecting everything, and basically you're going to get your cold water, your hot water, reconnect your wire connections. This is where these wires are going to go. So just going to reconnect everything back together, and as always, make sure you have the power turned off at your breaker panel. So that is just something I wanted to touch on before anybody tries anything crazy. You may get zapped. Doesn't feel good. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt, no thanks. So I will get these all connected, and I will get a little video of it all done. Guys, we're just back up here. Got all of these set and ready. I know it's kind of hard to see where I'm at, but we're doing our best. Don't forget, we're going to take the ground. That is going on green, black to black, red to white. Okay, now That's all in, covers on. I'm gonna let it drain. Okay, water's drained. Now these are labeled on the top of the tank, hot and cold. Your hot's going to be the out, cold's going to be the in. Hey, I'll see you later. Okay. All right. Water lines are reconnected, hot and cold. Power's all connected, grounds and hots. Now I'm going to turn on the power and make sure everything is good to go, and then I'll be ready to rock and roll. Hopefully have some hot water here soon. All right, so everything's all hooked back up. Going to turn the water back on. And check for leaks. No leaks are detected, so what I'm gonna go do is flip on my breaker, let it all fill up, and should be good to go. Give it a probably hour or so, and I should have hot water. At least that's the hope. So we'll see what happens. We've waited a while. Hot water is on. It's been about 2 hours or so. It is definitely hot. Just a reminder as well, sometimes when you turn the hot water on for the first time, you will have to bleed out some air in the lines. So when you turn the water on, it might not seem like it's actually putting out water, but it will. All the sinks, everything like that, I have all bled, just so that way, because I'm running a business, if somebody comes in and tries to wash their hands or anything like that, they actually have water, even though it might take a second for the hot water to come. So everything's all good to go. That hot water is installed and I'm good to go. We are open. It has been nice and busy. And the only reason I waited this long was because I had a little bit of a busy spurt. The sun came out and things are going well. So we'll see you guys later.